Yeah, boys, I don't know how much progress you guys are making. It's deep as heck up here, so.
That's 10-4. Yeah, we're just down here chilling, letting my machine cool down for a bit before I take a punch at it.
Holy shit! That was deep, eh? That's deep. Real deep and heavy.
This video is brought to you in part by Toy Factory Fab, North Shore Off-Road, Alberta OHV Trail Riders. Good morning, you guys. Welcome to another episode with the Country Slicker. Today we are going to be going out to look for a fire lookout. So I haven't been to a fire lookout since we were in BC, whatever, a year or two ago in the summertime. So we're going to go out today and try to find this fire lookout. I found it and I'll show you on the computer here. Oh, you guys can see this, but click this over to satellite here. So last time, this is where I staged, and then I was going all the way up here, playing around in all the side cut trails up in here. So, but whenever I was out there, I found something interesting. Somebody was mentioning that there was a fire lookout, and I looked on the map that was posted out there at the kiosk, and it did say that there was this fire lookout that was seasonal that they had during the sort of spring to fall months. So if we go down here on the trail, looks like down here, and zoom in. I was cross-referencing all this last night. Oh, here it is. Okay, so there's through here, and then there's this cut trail that takes you down here around this road's all closed down for the winter time, and then right here looks like we can get to this fire lookout. And if you cross-reference that with some online trail maps that are for hiking, they have this fire lookout out there. Looks like back in 2018 somebody logged doing a hike up there. So we're gonna go out today. We're gonna see if we can get to it on the side-by-sides. We have a couple other guys coming out on quads, so yeah, it should be a great day out. It's about an hour and a half from town, so we're gonna get after it right away. It's about 8 o'clock, so time to hit the road. But stay with us, you guys. Thanks so much for everybody that's been subscribing. We appreciate that support, and we're gonna get after it today. We're gonna hit some snow. This is a very, very, very low use area. It's very legal, but it is low use. Not a lot of people go down south to go riding, so we should have a really good day out. I think we're gonna be in for a good day, and we're gonna be pushing a lot of snow. So as always, we appreciate the challenge, and it's gonna be a good time. So stick with us. Let's get out onto the road, and let's hit the trail. Maybe it's just me, but I never go and de-ice my windshield. I would rather wait 15 minutes for this thing to defrost than sit there with a scraper. Crazy. All right, we got to pull by the fuel station, get some fuel, meet up with Jeff, and Matt's coming, and I think Matt has another buddy coming that's got a Razor. So we have a pretty good group today. Should be a good day. All right, we got Jeff back there. So we're gonna meet Matt and Matt's buddy out there. He's bringing a side-by-side. Actually, and Matt's bringing his new Grizzly 700 today. So you guys have probably seen Matt Wilson in a couple other videos. Super impressive rider on an ATV. However, that being said, I guess, so he had this brand new 2023, I think it was, or 2024, I could be wrong. I think it was a 2023 Grizzly 700, brand new, beautiful machine. He had some new tires on, everything else. I guess unfortunately he flipped it, so, and I can put that in the description here whenever he rolled it, but unfortunately he wrote that off, and he did not have a lot of miles on it. So he's gotten that rectified. He's now got his new machine, which we'll see today. I think it's the same thing. It's another Grizzly 700, but he got a special edition this time, so it's supposed to be super nice. Very excited to see it. I don't think he's got a lot of miles on this one either, and we know he's gonna send it. The guy is always full send, so we should have a great day out riding with him. This right here is probably one of the nicest views coming down here. You get to see all the mountain range all the way through down past Longview. So look at the new rig. Oh my god. 24, right? Yeah. 24. Beautiful. Not a mark on it, man. Excited. 3 hours you said are on it?
3 hours.
3 hours.
Fucking brand new.
Time for a break-in ride, I'd say.
Yeah.
Love it.
The diff mounts are super weak, and you can see lots of pictures on the Grizzly page of guys with their diffs leaning over to the right, and it roasts your fucking diff.
Really? So
Yeah.
that's something you got to do right away on the Grizzlies.
So that just, braces that rear diff so it can't lean over on you.
Oh, smart. Okay.
$150 for the brace or $2,000 for a new diff.
Yeah, easy decision.
Yeah.
Interesting. Okay. All right, you guys, so we're up at the staging area just getting unloaded. So we've got the Grizzly, we've got the RZR 1000 or RZR 900, sorry, the KRX, and then we've got a Pioneer 1000 out with us as well. And Buddy brought his kids. He actually pulled them out of school, so he gets the Cool Dad award for the day. But we're gonna get on the trail right away. Snow super tacky today, and it's almost like sugar right now, but I know for sure it's gonna melt down a little bit. So we're gonna have to be pushing some heavy snow today, which is good. Should be a good ride. So we're gonna go out, try to find this this fire lookout that is out here, and then from there we're probably going to loop around and hit some of the trails around here. So stay tuned, you guys. I don't know what's going to happen. Not a super well traveled area, but hopefully it's a really good ride out. So let's get on the trail. The precipice here. How's that break-in period going?
Oh, it's broke in, I think.
I'd say she's broke in. All right, so we just got to the part of the trail where there's obviously been a lot of trouble. Lots of trees out, leftover straps. So somebody tried to come up here in a truck at some point and got buried. So we're just about to where we need to be.
Yeah, there's a big old bomb hole down
Look at that, yeah. Holy moly, yeah, we are really working for this. This is that deep, heavy snow. Like, you could make an excellent snowman out of this, but this is intense. So if it doesn't lighten up soon, unfortunately, I don't know if we're gonna make it to the top, because it's deep, it's steep. I'm cutting trail, and like you guys can see, like I'm just cutting down. This is an old sled track, but it is like, I'll try to get you a reference here. Like it is, yeah, like we got a good, it's still a good 2 feet of snow. So I'm really having to stay on the skinny pedal to get up here, and we're just burning lots and lots of dinosaurs getting up. Yeah, boys, I don't know how much progress you guys are making. It's deep as heck up here, so
If you guys want to hang out for a sec, I'll see if I can even punch the top of this, because it's deep.
That's 10-4.
Yeah, I can see the top from where I'm at. I'm about 200 meters from the top, but it is sticky up here. I'm really struggling.
So I'd let your engine cool a bit, or your belt.
Yeah, I've got a temp gauge on my belt. It's reading 2 bars. I'll give it a minute to cool down.
Yeah, we're just down here chilling, letting my machine cool down for a bit before I take a punch at it.
Roger that. So looks like you're not actually able to drive right up to the fire lookout. I just cut a trail up for the other guys, so we might walk in and just take a quick look, but it sounds like you're not actually supposed to drive up to it, as there are people that live here. I don't know if it's year-round, but close to year-round, so we might go up and take a quick look, make sure that if there are people here working, we'll respect them and we'll give them the space. But yeah, super cool trail anyways, and you should see the view. I can't really, I'll put it on camera, but it doesn't really do it justice. I'll try to get the drone flying, but it is really windy up here, so I don't know if the drone's gonna have a good time of it or not. We'll take a look. Real deep and heavy. Don't turn it off yet. Let that bag cool down. Right off. Yeah. Oh yeah. Woo! Nice. Look at that. How pretty is that, eh? Crazy view. So it looks like they've got a little helicopter pad here, I assume to fly in supplies and such. That's pretty neat. That's right there. That's awesome. Super cool. So they've got a generator building there, propane, gen set off to the side. This is obviously a very active spot that they're keeping in practice here. Yeah, it's loud, man. All right, so we just got up to the Porcupine lookout. Not allowed to go through, unfortunately, but I guess somebody lives here 10 days on, 10 days off, so we're not going to go up and take a look. We're going to stay outside the fence. But super sweet sweet little ride. Definitely had to work for it. No one's been in here all year, so yeah, really neat. You can see the residents just past here, as well as the fire tower. That's awesome. we're hiking our way back now. How's it going? Good. Good? Are you tired?
Yeah.
I'm tired. The snow's deep, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah. 100%. Anyways.
Dad has big feet.
Sorry, say again?
Good thing Dad has big feet, or else this trail wouldn't be here.
That's true. Your dad has huge feet.
Yeah, this size 12.
Size 12. Holy moly, I wonder how big his hands are. Probably massive.
Bigger than mine.
So we're just about back to the toys, and then we're gonna make our way down. So yeah, super cool place. So we're gonna head back, and then I think we're gonna get down to the lower Alpine and build a fire and maybe have some hot dogs. Should be good. Perfect. Nice. Just the way you like it, man. Perfect. Yes.
You're weird.
Big and black. You guys can get your buns ready if you want.
On the way back from having our fire, we discovered yet another offshoot on these trails. There truly is endless riding out here, and something we definitely need to come back next time to explore, as there are lots and lots of trails and offshoots that aren't on the map and are still unmarked.
That's beautiful though. Holy. Damn. All right, you guys, well, that concludes our ride. We are almost back to the trucks. We just stopped at this lookout to just enjoy the sunset and get situated here before we're heading back. Thank you so much for watching. As always, we appreciate the support. Be sure to smack that subscribe button, and we will see you guys on the next adventure. Country Slicker out of here.